Hello everyone, this is our 5-in-1 food package medium tray. First video is set A. Inclusions is kinilaw, chicken inasal, fried chicken, calamaris at saka bami. Yan po ang ating set A. 5-in-1 food package medium tray, good for 10 to 15 persons na po yan guys. Another one is ang ating set B. Inclusions is chop suey, butter shrimp, sana yan siya guys, pero pinagpalit niya sa chicken curry, bami, fried chicken, at saka 25 pieces pork barbecue. Yan po ang ating set B. Another one is set C. Inclusions is sinuglaw, fried chicken, lumpia 40 pieces, bami, at saka fish fillet. Yan po ang ating set C. Ayan guys, ito po ang pinaka-saleable na aming mga 5-in-1 food package guys. Para sa ibang set guys, abangan nyo po ang aking video. Thank you so much.